In this video, I'll show you how to edit device details, rename devices or move them to the right room. Setup mistakes happen, but fixing them shouldn't mean starting over. With device editing, you can rename devices or move them to the correct room anytime without reinstalling or losing automations. Scenes, schedules, and workflows stay untouched while your home stays properly organized. Now, I'll show you how to edit device details, rename devices, and move them to the right room without resetting anything. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Settings in the bottom menu. Select Devices. Select the room and choose your device. Tap on Edit. To rename the device, tap on Device Name and enter the new name. To change the room, tap on Room and select the correct room. Tap OK, then Update Details. That's it. Your device is updated. Fix mistakes instantly. No reset, no reinstallation. Thank you.